A fresh start. Building wealth after prison. Welcome back, my G. Today, we're diving into an incredibly important topic: how to gain wealth after being released from prison, even with a felony background. For real, for real. Let me tell you something. Your past does not define your future. On God. There are literally thousands and thousands of people who have turned their lives around, paid their debt to society, and become incredibly successful entrepreneurs and business people. If you or someone you know is looking for a fresh start, this video is for you. Entrepreneurship. Your hustle, your way. It's a journey that is uniquely yours, shaped by your experiences, your dreams, and your relentless drive. Listen, entrepreneurship is the ultimate hustle. It's the art of turning your vision into reality, of taking an idea and nurturing it until it blossoms into something extraordinary. It's about finding a need, filling it, and building something from the ground up. Whether you're crafting a business plan, building furniture, or cooking up a storm in the kitchen, it's all about creating value. Now, you might be thinking, Gary, easier said than done, especially with a felony. The road ahead may seem daunting, filled with obstacles and uncertainties. And you know what? You're right, it's not easy. But every challenge you face is an opportunity to grow, to learn, and to prove to yourself that you are capable of greatness. But it's a million times more possible than you think. Each step you take, no matter how small, brings you closer to your goal. Celebrate those small victories, for they are the building blocks of your success. Look at guys like Cos Marte, went from dealing drugs to owning a fitness empire. His story is a testament to the power of resilience and determination. Felony? Sure. Did it stop him? Not even close. He turned his life around and built something incredible. His past didn't define his future, and neither should yours. The key here is finding your niche. What is it that sets your soul on fire? What unique skills and talents do you possess that can be transformed into a thriving business? What are you passionate about? Passion is the fuel that will keep you going when the going gets tough. It's what will drive you to put in those extra hours and go the extra mile. What skills did you learn, maybe even in prison, that you can turn into a business? Maybe it's cooking, maybe it's coding, maybe it's cutting hair. These skills are your tools, your assets, and they can open doors to new opportunities. Whatever it is, own it. Take pride in your abilities and let them shine. Your confidence and belief in yourself will inspire others to believe in you too. And don't think you have to do it alone. Collaboration and mentorship are invaluable. Surround yourself with people who support your vision and can offer guidance and advice. There are organizations out there specifically designed to help ex-offenders start businesses. Look up D5 Ventures, The Last Mile. These programs provide the tools, training, and support you need to succeed. These guys are the real deal, providing mentorship, resources, the whole 9 yards. They believe in second chances and are dedicated to helping you turn your life around. So, get your hustle on, do your research, and don't let anything hold you back. Knowledge is power, and the more you learn, the better equipped you'll be to navigate the challenges ahead. This is your comeback story, and I'm here for it. Embrace the journey, stay focused, and remember that every setback is just a setup for a greater comeback. Your hustle, your way, is the path to your success.
I feel nauseous, believe me.
Skilled trades. Get certified, get hired. Let's talk about skilled trades. These are the backbone of our society, the unsung heroes who keep everything running smoothly. I'm talking plumbing, electrical work, carpentry, welding, and so much more. These are the essential services that we often take for granted. These are the kind of jobs that built this country, from the skyscrapers in our cities to the homes in our neighborhoods. And guess what? They are in high demand. The need for skilled tradespeople is growing every day. People always need their toilets fixed, their lights turned on, their houses built. These are services that will never go out of style. It's a fact of life. Now here's the beautiful thing about skilled trades. You don't need a fancy degree to get started. You just need the right training and certification. You need training, you need certification, and you need the drive to learn and work hard. It's all about dedication and commitment. There are programs all over the country that offer affordable, sometimes even free training in these fields. These programs are designed to help you succeed, and many of them are specifically designed for people with criminal backgrounds. They understand the challenges you face and are here to support you. They get it. They want to help you succeed. With the right guidance and support, you can achieve your goals. Once you've got the skills, you've got the power. You can take control of your future and build a successful career. You can start your own business, join a union, or get hired by a company that values your work ethic. The opportunities are endless. And let me tell you, a good plumber, electrician, or carpenter can make serious bank. These are well-paying jobs that offer financial stability. So, if you're someone who likes to work with their hands, who likes to see the tangible results of their labor, this path might be your golden ticket. It's a rewarding career that offers both personal and professional satisfaction. Imagine the pride you'll feel when you complete a project and see the results of your hard work. It's a feeling like no other. And it's not just about the money. It's about the respect and recognition you'll earn in your community. Skilled tradespeople are highly valued and respected. Plus, many skilled trades offer flexible hours and the ability to balance work and family life. You can have a fulfilling career without sacrificing your personal life. And the learning never stops. There are always opportunities for advancement and continuing education. You can keep growing and evolving in your career. You'll also become part of a professional community. Networking with other skilled tradespeople can open doors to new opportunities and collaborations. So, take the first step. Get certified, get hired, and start building a future you can be proud of. The skilled trades are waiting for you. Chapter 3. Online freelancing. Your skills, your time. The internet has changed the game, my friends. It's opened up a world of possibilities that were unimaginable just a few decades ago. It's leveled the playing field in ways we never thought possible. No longer are we confined to traditional office spaces or limited by geographical boundaries. And one of the most exciting opportunities it offers is online freelancing. This new frontier allows you to leverage your skills and talents in a way that suits your lifestyle. Whether you're a writer, a graphic designer, a virtual assistant, a social media manager, or a coder, there's a platform out there for you. These platforms connect you with clients from all over the world, offering a diverse range of projects. Upwork, Fiverr, Guru, Freelancer.com. The list goes on and on. Each platform has its own unique features and caters to different types of freelancers and clients. Now, the key to success in the online freelancing world is building a strong portfolio. Your portfolio is your digital resume, showcasing your best work and demonstrating your capabilities to potential clients. You need to showcase your skills, your experience, and your work ethic. Highlight your achievements, include testimonials from satisfied clients, and make sure your portfolio is visually appealing and easy to navigate. Don't be afraid to start small. Take on smaller projects. Build up your reputation. Every project, no matter how small, is an opportunity to learn, grow, and prove your worth. And here's the beauty of it. You can work from anywhere, on your own time. Whether you prefer the comfort of your home, the buzz of a coffee shop, or the tranquility of a beach, the choice is yours. You're in control of your schedule, your workload, and your income potential. You decide when to work, how much to work, and which projects to take on. So, if you're tech-savvy, if you've got a creative side, or if you just thrive in a flexible work environment, online freelancing could be your ticket to financial freedom. Embrace the opportunities, put in the effort, and watch your freelance career flourish. Chapter 4. Real estate investing. Building wealth. Brick by brick. Real estate. It's tangible, it's valuable, and it's a proven path to wealth. And you know what? You don't need to be a millionaire to get started. Now, I'm not going to sugarcoat it. Getting into real estate investing with a felony on your record comes with challenges. But it's not impossible, not by a long shot. Start small. Look into programs that help first-time home buyers, even those with criminal backgrounds. There are organizations out there that specialize in providing loans and resources to people in your situation. Maybe you start by buying a duplex, living in one unit, and renting out the other. Or you look into wholesaling properties, which requires less capital up front. The key is to educate yourself, learn the market, and surround yourself with people who have done it before. Chapter 5. Personal Development and Networking. Your secret weapons. Look, no matter what path you choose, none of this is possible without the right mindset. You need to believe in yourself, you need to be willing to put in the work, and you need to surround yourself with the right people. Personal development is key. Read books, listen to podcasts, attend seminars, invest in yourself. The more you learn, the more you grow, the more opportunities will open up for you. And don't underestimate the power of networking. Connect with people in your industry, attend events, join online communities. Surround yourself with positive, supportive people who believe in your potential. Remember, your past does not define you. It's a chapter in your story, but it's not the whole story. You have the power to write your own ending, and I know it's going to be incredible. Your future starts now. Remember, your past does not define your future. With determination and the right strategies, you can build a prosperous life. You've paid your debt, you've learned your lessons, and now it's time to thrive. Don't let anyone tell you otherwise. Go out there, crush it, and make your comeback story one for the books. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with anyone who might find it helpful. See you next time.